Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is M.Lokesh. Today I am going to say Rubik's Cube. Now, I will do Rubik's Cube between the 1 minute 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Now, let's start. First, we have to set the stopwatch. Okay? Now, this reset and let's start. Now, let's shuffle the cube. Now it's shuffled. Okay? Now let's start it. Ready? One, two, three, start go. The Rubik's Cube is completed. I did Rubik's Cube in 1 minute 49 seconds. Now, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching video guys. Thank you.